SAP North America is a company selling all kinds of home appliances. Our idea is to expand in our markets, but more importantly, to introduce new products. The e-commerce business was very well taken by SAP. We wanted to implement a paperless system. Through the use of artificial intelligence, we are beginning to implement it, and it's working very well. This process has allowed us to basically remove all the manual work for our users. The system reads the document and converts it into a sales order in SAP. And they're automatically in our system, ready to be processed and delivered. Makes us more efficient and saves tremendous amounts of time. SAP Business One is a complete system. We have more than one company in the system. Now, Consultare has implemented a process that allows information to flow from one company to the other, giving us better visibility of the entire business. SAP Business One allows us to be more efficient and to run our operation better.